Compare two columns in Excel, find matches and differences row by row. If you want to compare two columns in Excel row by row and quickly find matching entries or differences. In this video, I'll show you 3 easy methods. Method 1, use a shortcut. First, select the two columns you want to compare. Then, press Ctrl and the # key. Excel will instantly select the cells that are different from the active cell in each row. Next, you can apply a background fill color to highlight the differences. This method is fast and simple. However, it only detects cells with different values. It does not identify differences in letter case. For example, Excel and Excel may not be treated as different. To compare cells more precisely, try the next methods. Method 2, use Kutools for Excel. First, you should download and install Kutools for Excel. After installation, go to the Kutools tab. Click Range. Then select Compare Cells. In the dialog box, select the first column and the second column one by one. Then, choose whether you want to find different cells or same cells. Next, specify a background color or font color to highlight the results. If you want to compare uppercase and lowercase letters exactly, check the case-sensitive option. Finally, click OK. Now, all matching or non-matching cells are selected and highlighted, including differences in letter case. This method is very useful when you want a visual and accurate comparison. Method 3, use a formula. You can also use the exact function to compare two cells precisely. In a blank cell, enter this formula. Select the first argument A2 and the second argument B2, which are the two cells you want to compare. Press Enter to get the result. Then, drag the fill handle down to apply the formula to other rows. If the two cells in the same row match exactly, the formula returns true. If they are different, it returns false. The exact function is case-sensitive, so it can detect differences between uppercase and lowercase letters. Kutools for Excel offers 300+ powerful tools and AI-powered features to reduce workload by 80% and boost efficiency by 300%. Which method do you prefer? Try it now in Excel. Like and follow for more Excel tips.